I think the thing that will help with this most is having the degree of control that allows you to practice epigenetics. Do you know about that?
Yeah, yeah.
So not genetic modification, but simply the ability to switch genes or enzymes on and off. So every plant in the world, and I got this from the our national chief scientist, the chief scientific advisor to the Scottish government, who's a plant biologist, as it just so happens. Apparently, there is an enzyme that every plant in the world produces to protect it from sudden changes in levels of light. So a bright sunny day, a big dark cloud, and a bright sunny day again. And that creates stress. So they produce this enzyme which acts almost like a sort of internal sunscreen that stops the plant getting stressed during sudden changes in light levels. But that enzyme, it looks like that enzyme uses up 3 to 5% of all the energy that the plant collects from the sunlight. And so if you are now in charge of the weather, and that unfortunate event is never going to happen because you won't cause it to happen, then you can switch that enzyme off. So that immediately means that you only now need 95 to 97% of the energy that you needed before you could do that. And if you can find more and more ways to improve nutrition, quality, taste, consistency, all the sort of major aspects that you want in your food, and you can also find ways to switch things off that are no longer necessary because you are not you're not exposing the crop to an external climate that might have bad as well as good weather effects. Then you can probably reduce your energy consumption even more.
That's right.
And anyone who tells you that this is a mature industry is telling you lies. This industry is right in its infancy. We're right at the start gate. And the more that we admit that, the more we will open up to develop ideas and science and R&D and so on the crops. And once we start doing that and doing it honestly and openly, we will make real progress to benefit, humankind.